What options do sellers have if their home's appraised for less than their asking price? Well, despite interest rates shrinking your potential pool of buyers, now is still a great time to sell your home because home prices are still high. However, home values can also present a challenge for sellers. If your buyer's appraiser values your home at less than you want to sell it for, what can you do? One thing you could do is confer with your real estate agent to make sure your home isn't overpriced for the market. If so, you'll need to adjust your price to align with your current market conditions, since most buyers won't want to shell out thousands of dollars to cover the difference between the appraised value and the asking price. Second thing you can do would be to look over the comparable sales in your area. The appraiser already bases their value on comparable home sales nearby, but you might be able to find better comps to justify your asking price. Your listing agent should be able to put together an appraisal packet to provide to the appraiser just in case they miss some of your comparable sales in your neighborhood. Third, ask your potential buyer to make up the difference. Though many buyers may not want to, if there's high demand for your home, you may have the upper hand in negotiations. So it won't be as difficult to find a willing buyer as it was in the past. Some may even agree to an appraisal gap guarantee, which ensures they're willing to pay the difference if your appraisal comes in low. The fourth thing you could do is, if you're motivated to sell your home, you could simply lower your asking price to match the appraised value. And fifth, if you and your buyer can't come to an agreement on how to proceed, they could terminate their contract and just walk away from the home altogether. Depending on the type of loan, that may allow you to go back to square one and order a new appraisal altogether. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any further questions about appraisals, feel free to call or email me. I look forward to hearing from you, and thanks for watching.